Hi, this is Ambreen, and today we're going to talk about the closing costs for buyers in Maryland. So if you're looking to buy a house and want to know what your closing cost is, keep watching the video. When buying a house, there are fees that you must pay. Those fees are called closing costs, and they're due at the settlement. When you apply for a loan, your lender will give you an estimate of the closing costs. Average closing costs for a buyer in Maryland range from about 3% to 6% of the sale price, but it can vary from one home to another depending on the terms of the sales contract. Now, let's talk about what typical closing cost includes. It consists of lender fees, escrow charges, title fees, government recording and transfer charges, and some additional charges. If you're getting a loan to buy a house, then there'll be fees associated with that loan, like loan origination fee. Loan origination fee is like the application fee for the loan. It covers services provided to the buyer during the loan approval process. You also pay a fee for discount points. Discount points are a fee paid directly to the lender at closing in exchange for a reduced interest rate. This is also called buying down the rate. There'll also be appraisal fee. Now, unless you're paying all cash for your house, an appraisal will be required. Most lenders require you to pay for it in advance, but if you don't, then it will be included in your closing cost. There'll also be credit report fee. Yes, your lender will pull your credit to see where you stand to give you an appropriate interest rate. There'll also be mortgage insurance premium. So if you put less than 20% down as your down payment for some type of loans, you'll be charged a mortgage insurance premium. There'll be a prepaid interest payment on the new loan. Closing cost will also include charges like escrow charges. Now, escrow charges are fees like homeowners insurance and property taxes. When you're buying a house in Maryland, you'll need to pay for homeowners insurance. Another part of closing costs consists of title company fees. Now, title companies do all the research on the house and typically conduct the settlement in Maryland. Land records, deeds, and other sources are searched to make sure that the sellers truly own a property and have the right to sell it. In your closing cost, you'll also be paying for government recording and transfer charges. Government recording and transfer charges include the county transfer tax, state transfer tax, and the county recordation tax. Unless other arrangements have been agreed upon, government fees are typically divided evenly between buyers and sellers in Maryland. These are simply the taxes and charges to change ownership and record the new deed in the public records. Now, if you're a first-time home buyer in Maryland, you get a break on this closing cost. First-time Maryland home buyers receive a one-time tax break and are exempt from paying their half of the Maryland transfer tax. There are other closing costs also, which includes home warranty, pest and home inspection fee, HOA and condo fee, and there's also real estate broker fee. There's a great news for Maryland home buyers in this category though. In Maryland, buyers do not have to pay any commission. Buyer's agents in Maryland are free, so you're not obligated to pay a commission if you're a buyer. So this is my video for the closing costs. Please comment below if you have any questions regarding the closing costs in Maryland, and I'll be happy to answer. Take care.